So early this morning, I woke up and decided to hop on to MidJourney to generate some cool images for a video, but I found out that MidJourney is not free anymore. Well, that pushed me to dive into finding the best alternative to MidJourney. And most importantly, it had to be free. So I found an awesome tool that literally can compete with MidJourney, and it's accessible worldwide. So introducing Leonardo AI. This AI is constantly updating and growing at a crazy pace. It's already capable of giving MidJourney some serious competition. And if you don't have extra money to spend on images, this is the perfect option for you. In this video, I am going to show you how I've fully switched over to Leonardo AI. So let me show you how to get access to Leonardo AI. Go to their website and click Start Using Leonardo. Now here, fill your first name and your email address. Then click on Count Me In. Now we have to select Click Here, and it will take you to registration form. Fill out the details, give your email address, and hit Submit. Now click on the link, and it will take you to the login page. Sign in with your email address you provided in the form, and that's it. You got access to Leonardo AI. Like many text-to-image services, Leonardo AI uses a basic token system. Leonardo gives you 150 tokens that reload every 24 hours, which means 150 images per day. So here on the home page, you can check out the works of other users and see for yourself that Leonardo creates super high-quality images. One thing I like more about Leonardo than MidJourney is that you can click on any image and fully see the prompt used to generate that image. To create your own image, you'll need to click AI Image Generation in the left panel. Here, you'll see a field where you can write your prompt. Just below that, you can choose a model. It's like the different version of MidJourney, but there are really a lot of them here. Next, you can add negative prompt, meaning what shouldn't be in our image. Moving on to the main settings. On the left, you can choose the number of images you'll get from one prompt. I think 4 is the best option, giving you plenty to choose from. Not too long ago, the Prompt Magic V2 option was introduced. This feature ensures better adherence. If you enable it, you can also adjust high contrast and prompt magic strength. Further down, we can see the image resolution settings. Here, you can fine-tune the size of your image, but to get the best result, Leonardo recommends choosing 1024 by 1024 pixels. Below that, we can find the guidance scale. In this tab, you can adjust how closely the image corresponds to the prompt. The lower the number we choose, the less the final image will resemble what's written in our prompt. Below, you can see Image to Image, where you can upload an image you'd like to base another one on, and Image Prompt. Now let's generate an image. I will recommend Dream Shaper V7. We are going to write a man watching video in a dark room, with no negative prompt. We are going to select 4 images, prompt magic, an aspect ratio of 3:4. In the guidance scale, we're going to set the bar to 7. Now we're going to hit Generate, and in a couple of seconds, we have 4 images that we just created. I like this one. Now Leonardo AI has the feature of upscaling, so you can upscale your generated image. You can also remove the background and download your image. So personally, I find Leonardo AI much more convenient and pleasant to use than MidJourney. If you find this video helpful, let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you want in-depth video on how to create perfect and accurate image in Leonardo AI, just comment down in-depth and I will make a video on it. If you want to know top AI tools you must try, check out this video. Stay updated with AI.